guys, I got this beautiful mother-daughter statue to review, and it is absolutely beautiful. It is a nice ceramic, not too heavy but very durable. It's great on any flat surface. I actually have this up in my office right next to my desk because it's just a beautiful little reminder of the love I have for both of my girls. Now on here, as you can see, it's got little hearts. This is a great gift for Valentine's Day, for Mother's Day, even Christmas. So what it comes with is the statue itself. It comes with 2 little flickering LED lights. It also comes with a glass container here so that you can go ahead and put in a little tea light if you would like. It does warm up just a little bit, but it does not burn, it does not get hot. Inside it also comes with a little empty card so that you can write a little love card. So all you do, it's on the back here, it's got a nice little opening. So all you do on the bottom here is flip the switch to on. It's got a little flicker. You're just gonna set it inside. And then as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. So like I said, this is beautiful. It's a great reminder of the love between a mother and a daughter. I definitely think this is a great present for any mom, grandma, or special woman in your life. Go check it out.